Today I'm going to be painting this picture of a parrot, and I'm going to be using, instead of my normal watercolors, I'm going to be using these watercolor markers. And this is my reference photo right here. As you can see, I've put some masking fluid around the outer edges of the parrot, and now I'm going to paint the background, and I'm going to use a wet-on-wet technique with these watercolor markers. So here's my finished painting. So I really like how the colors turned out, especially this right here, and I do think the background did turn out a little bit more textured than I would have liked and a little bit uneven, but I'll definitely work on it, and I think the parrot turned out really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed trying out my new marker pens, and I think I'll definitely do more paintings with them in the future, so stay tuned.